Blended learning is an innovative approach to learning, altering the way education is delivered and disrupting the way classrooms operate. The progression of blending technology into the classroom environment is not new, with the earliest attempts being the immersion of video into lesson plans. However, the capabilities brought about by the internet and gamification have taken disruption by technology of the traditional classroom to a new level. Using tools such as screen share, video, chat, and virtual whiteboards can bring in acclaimed teachers from far and wide to any classroom anywhere, while incorporating games and online testing can change the pace and individualization of learning. Done right, blended learning allows each student to work according to their particular needs without restricting when students learn, where they are learning from, the methods by which they learn, or the speed at which they go through the curriculum. These models can be delivered in a group or alone, on practice problems or projects, online or offline. Blending learning preserves the benefits of the old while offering new benefits, such as personalization, access, equity, and cost control. Supporters of the methodology claim that blended learning is the future. It is the way forward to make the most of class time, while ensuring students get all the background material needed to support classroom learning. In the UK, almost 75% of schools publish their course materials online, with more than two-thirds of respondents claiming to use the internet for group work and collaboration. Simply bringing technology into the classroom is insufficient. Peru spent over $200 million to equip 800,000 public school students with low-cost laptops. However, the initiative failed for a variety of reasons, including teachers being ill-prepared to use the technology in their lesson plans. A lack of communication between the government, school districts, and individual classrooms resulted in the inability to set what the desired outcomes should be for incorporating technology into the program. Several models of blended learning exist. One may be a blend between offline and online learning. Another model would blend self-paced learning with live collaboration. A classroom might choose to blend between structured and unstructured learning through a program designed to actively capture conversations and documents from unstructured learning events into knowledge repositories available on demand. Another design would mix custom content with off-the-shelf generic content and supplement standardized textbooks with a blend of live experiences and other material. Finally, curriculum designers of vocational programs might combine learning, practice, and performance outcomes and enhance workspace training with computer-based assignments, collaboration, and performance support tools. Throughout every model, designing the teacher experience and how the teacher is expected to interact with and use technology in their lesson plans is of paramount importance. The bulk of the planning and execution of any lesson still falls on teachers, and the shift to blended learning means we need effective teachers now more than ever to ensure rigorous content is being taught and that the technology is being used to extend students' learning opportunities. This will mean a shift in the way that teachers are both recruited and evaluated. With all the possibilities of technology-enabled learning, there are also challenges that require the collaboration of educators, policymakers, and administrators. The government can implement programs that focus on using technology to transform learning experiences with the goal of providing greater equity in the standard of education and accessibility to the required learning tools. The government must also underlay a strong infrastructure for these programs, which must include high-speed connectivity and devices for both teachers and students. Aside from the hardware, a comprehensive learning infrastructure must include digital learning content and other resources, as well as professional development for educators and education leaders. Finally, a common vision and action plan that responds to an urgent national priority should be set in place to ensure that learners of all ages have opportunities for personal growth and prosperity and remain competitive in a global economy.